Fresh into stock at Guaranteed Motors. This beautiful CX-5. Finished in bright metallic blue with anthracite alloys. It's covered just shy of 85,000 miles. It's got full service history. We've got touchscreen nav. Bluetooth. Dual zone climate control. Automatic gearbox. And central console controls, steering wheel controls and cruise. So most CX-5s, they do come with a very nice specification, additional storage. Folding mirrors. Really looks like the rear seat's been sat in, to be honest. It's a four-wheel drive vehicle with a lovely big boot. Really well looked after. And as with all cars at Guaranteed Motors, we are the RAC approved dealer for Bury St Edmunds. So it's 6 months warranty, 12 months breakdown cover, and 82-point RAC check, and that's standard on every vehicle. Call today.